Oh, we got a real special treat today. This 1962 Cadillac is a pro touring air ride, LS motor, leather interior. It's got it all going on, and it was done by Rad Rides by Troy. He is a premier builder. I was at the World of Wheels Autorama in Chicago yesterday, and he had one of the top displays, one of the top cars there. He's one of the most honored builders in the country. To have him build a car like this today, God only knows what it would cost or how long you'd be waiting. But this one is here. It's done. It's fantastic. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars all for sale. Each one will have a monthly payment and a price tag, including this one right here. Or scan the QR code on your screen and it'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, let's go for a spin. Yeah, when you walk into the Autorama, it's the best of the best is what you see first. The displays cost more than most people's cars. And there was Chad with his display and his most recent build. Well, again, that's who built this car, and this car was worthy of that type of display. Now, this one was done a while ago. It's got 8,000 or 10,000 miles on it since it's been done. You wouldn't know it by looking at it. It is fresh. So let's talk about it. What do you notice about the body? It is smoothed out and cleaned up. They've removed all the moldings. They've welded in. The fender skirts come way up into here. That's all welded in and smooth. Any emblems are gone. The trunk lock, oh, there is the trunk lock, but all the emblems are removed and it's all smooth. There's no door handles. You use a remote to open the doors. Every square inch of this car is laser beam straight. And again, it has some years on it, and it looks like it was painted yesterday. That's the sign of a good workmanship. It's the quarter panels, and the 62 has these upper and lower wings. It's very cool looking. It is straight as can be. There's no bubbles, no rust, no damage, no cracking, nothing like that. And of course, the gaps are right on the money. Let's open it from inside for now. It fits beautifully. Shuts real nicely. All the emblems, the antenna, all that's gone. The cowl vents are removed. It's all smoothed out. Look at the hood, all smoothed out, no emblems. So it's just a nice, clean look, but still obviously a 62 Cadillac. Now the paint, it's a PPG. They call it Granite Pearl on top. When you get up close, there's some really tiny metallic. And when the light hits it, it has a bit of a reddish shine to it. This is called Flamin Red on the side, and it's metallic, and all of this is just glass finish. I see a couple smudges here now that it's going around, but it's phenomenal. And these striping on the side, you don't feel it. It's all smooth to the touch, and it carries right into the door jambs, front and back. And they're really well done, very tastefully done striping. So of course all the chrome was redone and all the trim was redone. This is airbrushed on, you don't feel it. So all this is sparkling, real sharp looking. Underneath this actual leather top boot is a black cloth convertible top. That's a real nice rich upgrade. All the glass is excellent, windshield's crystal clear. The chrome was replated, the stainless was buffed and polished. Now the wheels, Billet Specialty wheels, they look very similar to a Cadillac hubcap. Those wheels would cost an arm and a leg. I don't even want to guess what those would cost today. And they're wrapped in Continental Extreme tires. And what size are these wheels? They are 20s. That's what I thought. And then up front here, all the chrome, the grill, all of that sparkling, and everything fits right. High quality build. Let's jump inside. I got a lot more to show you. All right, look at this mirror finish. That is phenomenal. Again, this is high quality work from a big name. So the whole inside is boxed and upholstered. Look at underneath the trunk, all finished off, even these little caps over the hinges. And what you do see is painted as slick as the car. And then the whole thing is boxed, upholstered. The floor is carpeted. Here's where you fill the gas right here. And I'm sure behind that panel is some stereo equipment, This was in Hot Rod magazine. I was reading the article online, and it talked about a killer stereo in the car. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as videos are posted. And check out that striping. It's in all the jambs. Chrome latches, weather strips replaced. They kept with the stock looking door panels, but got a little tweaking done to it. Nice wrapped in leather. The lights work under the chrome handles. And by the power window switches here, it's kind of like a grayish finish. Nice classy finish. You got power windows, power seat. Then the whole dash is restored beautifully. It's called the Cadillac, is what the name of the car is. That's the mileage since it's been done. And again, it looks like it was just done. So dash pads replaced, Pioneer stereo. Quartz movement in the clock is frosted, and so is the lens on the other side. This is all painted and cleaned up real nicely. You've got some nice AC vents installed. You got some kick panel speakers. Really nice premium carpets with some nice floor mats. Nice custom center console. You got to have your cup holders. You got some more AC vents down here. Another gauge. Now the seats themselves, very comfortable. Very nice, firm, contoured. And this is genuine leather on the seats as well. New seat belts. And same thing back here. Genuine leather on the upholstery, all nice firm cushions. You got speakers built in the sides here, kicker speakers. All this is redone. The speaker grill has got that kind of that dark champagne color, which is, I think, a nice little classy touch. The visors have been redone. It's on a tilt column with a Budnick custom wheel, cruise control. All the wiring was redone through the car. Then when he redoes a car, he's redoing the car. He's not doing it on a budget for somebody or trying to push it out the door. This was done all the way. So that's an LS3 motor, 6.2 liter, all aluminum. It has a nice Cadillac cover over the top. And it has all the modern components, Edelbrock water pump, mini AC compressor. I think it's a Gen 2 vintage air system. Smoothed out custom firewall. All this looks like it's powder coated. You got polished hardware. This is painted as nice as the outside. The hoses run behind the fender well. The exhaust manifolds are powder coated silver. This whole filler panel is cleaned up real nice. Even has a little pinstripe here. Stainless hardware. Aluminum radiator is blacked out. His electric fan is a blacked out overflow. All billet pulleys with serpentine belt, custom air intake tube. It does have power steering down there, power brakes. Under the hood, finished off real nicely too. Actually, when he first built the car, it had a Cadillac motor and a 700 R4. At some point later on, it went to Murray's Customs in Dallas-Fort Worth area, another high-end shop. They put this motor, transmission, and rear end, which we'll talk about in just a second. Meanwhile, Michael's going to demonstrate the car for you. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Everybody, really slick custom build on this Cadillac here. Top quality no matter where you look, top to bottom. I feel really lucky to be driving it. Fuel injected LS3 under the hood. 6.2 liters, rated at 430 horsepower. We got Got the turnkey reliability there. Paired up with a 4L80 automatic overdrive trans. So this one's more than just good looks. You get some serious drivability here. Let's see what she's got. All right. And just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. Effortless. I mean, I wasn't even hardly in the throttle. I know it's a cruiser, but definitely more than adequate power. Another thing that I really love about it is this front bench seat. I've never sat in one like this before. It's very firm and supportive, and it's comfortable as heck, and it just feels amazing. This is the one that can do anything. Go and win all the trophies or just go for a nice cruise. Check it out at volocars.com.
So the body was off the frame. I think he even like boxed and smoothed out the frame. It's extra nice looking. Even has like some brushed stainless trim panels finishing off the bottom. One of the things he prides himself on all of his builds, he doesn't want anything hanging down below the car, not the exhaust, not the transmission pan or anything. So when you see the car, it's all tucked up. And this is on air ride too. So you can raise it and lower it. It's a shockwave system, high quality air ride system. There's controllers in the ashtray, which I forgot to open and show you, but there's pictures of that on our website, I'm sure. So all the suspension steering's been redone. It looks like the front control arms were boxed actually as well. All the frame and chassis painted black. Same thing in back, shockwave airbags. It does have, looks like QA1 adjustable gas shocks as well. Real nicely installed exhaust system, and it's all tucked up. The tip comes out. You have to look at our undercarriage pictures, but you don't see the exhaust, but it has turn down tips at the end there. The fuel system was replaced, the entire brake system redone, upgraded with big drilled and slotted discs in the front. You look up at the motor, it's aluminum, it has a high torque starter. That's a 4L80E overdrive automatic trans that was put in there. And then they put a Fab 9 9-inch rear end in the back as well. This is like the ultimate show car / cruiser. I mean, it's both. It's got 10,000 miles on it, and you could enter this in the world of wheels tomorrow. It's an incredible car that's been incredibly well built, tastefully built. It's timeless, and it has a big name behind it. It's a rare opportunity, folks, to get a really premium car, and you're not going to spend a fraction of what it costs to duplicate it today. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions, including how to get this Cadillac delivered to your door, how to get financing, insurance, whatever you may need, they can help with that. Thanks for watching.